Hello again, Dave Graybill here, fishingmagician.com. I'm out here exploring some of the terrific recreation areas that have been developed by Grant County PUD. And I didn't want to end this day without visiting the boat launch on Huntzinger Road, which is south of Vantage. This was a terrific addition for boaters who use this stretch of the Columbia. It's a really good place for salmon fishing right below the dam and also off the mouth of Crab Creek. The trouble is, fishing at the dam, navigating below there can be very dicey depending on water conditions. The levels and the currents can make it a very interesting trip downstream. This eliminated the need to traverse that shallow bar up above, and as you can see, it's a great boat launch. It even has a fish cleaning station here, restrooms, a parking area, a very, very welcome addition to the water accesses to this stretch of the Columbia River. So if you're going to be down here boating, it's great smallmouth fishing, walleye fishing, and particularly good and popular for salmon fishing later in the year.